The 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, child safety locks, clock, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.